Good morning. Question number 5 of exercise 4.4. Is it possible to design a rectangular path of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. Is it possible? The rectangular path, its perimeter is how many? How much? 80 meter. And area is 400 meter square. We assume let the length of rectangular path is equal to x meter. Here we have given perimeter of rectangular path. Then we know perimeter of rectangle is equal to, what is its formula? Do you know? Yes, 2 into length plus breadth. Here, length of rectangular part is equal to x meter. Rectangular part is equal to x meter. Perimeter of part is equal to 80 meter. What is the formula of perimeter of rectangular part? Formula of perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 80. We know this formula. Then length as it is L and B is equal to 80 by 2. L plus B is equal to 80 by 2. Now L plus B is equal to 40. Length plus breadth is equal to 40. Then breadth of path is equal to 40 minus x meter. Because here B is equal to 40 minus L. What is the value L? L is equal to x. 40 minus x meter. Breadth is equal to 40 minus x meter. Okay. We get length, assume length x. Information given that perimeter is equal to 80 meter. Then we use formula of perimeter and we get breadth is equal to 40 minus x meter. Now, according to condition, area is equal to 400 meters square. We know area of rectangle is equal to I into B. According to condition, area of rectangular part is equal to, area of rectangular part is equal to 400 meters square. Now we using formula L into B is equal to 400. What is L? L is equal to x into B is equal to 40 minus x is equal to 400. Multiplication, simplify this equation. 40x minus x square is minus 400 is equal to 0. Change the sign. square minus 40x plus 400 equals to 0. We get quadratic equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Our question is it possible? We are not sure that it is possible to design this rectangular path. Is it possible to design a rectangular path? Then we decide to design the rectangular path. We find discriminant. Here, find discriminant. We have a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 40, and c is equals to 400. Now discriminant. What is formula of discriminant? B square minus 4ac. Good. Now putting value of b and ac, b square minus 40 square minus 4, a is equals to 1, c is equals to 400. What is the square of minus 40? Minus minus plus 4 square is equals to 16, then 1600 minus 4 ones are 4, 4s are 1600 is equal to 0. Here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is the nature of its roots? Yes, its roots are equal. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So, its roots are equal, or equation has equal roots. Now, is it possible? Yes, it is possible to design a rectangular path. It is designed, so it is possible to design a rectangular path. Find its length and breadth. Now we find if the discriminant is equal to 0, then its roots are what is its roots? Its roots are minus b upon 2a. We know here our formula minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, but under root b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then it's short form minus b upon 2a, and both are equal. Minus b upon 2a minus b upon 2a equals to minus, what is the value of b? Minus 40 upon 2 into 1 equals to 40 by 2 is equals to 20. Here also we find minus b upon 2a, then is equals to 20. You know this formula, roots are equal roots. So the length of, hence the length and breadth of rectangular path is equal to length is equal to x is equal to 20 meter, and r 20 meter. Here length and breadth of rectangular path are 20 meter and Breadth is equal to 40 minus 20 is equal to also 20 meter. 20 meter respectively. Which is our answer. In word problem, you write your statement complete, then complete this question. Question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular path of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. Length of rectangular path is equal to x. Its perimeter using perimeter's formula of rectangle 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 80. Therefore, L plus B is equal to 80 by 2. L plus B is equal to 40. Then implies our equation becomes we want B. B is equal to 40 minus x, 40 minus L. Then breadth of path is equal to 40 minus x. Now we know area of rectangle is equal to L into B. X into 40 minus x is equal to 400. Our complete here equation x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. Now we decide, is it possible? Then to decide this equation has roots, we find its discriminant. Discriminant is equal to 0. Suppose greater than 0, then it has unequal roots. Equal to 0, therefore it has equal to roots. Roots are equal. Yes, therefore it is possible to design a rectangular path. Then we find x. X is equal to minus b upon 2a. But its formula used when discriminant is equal to 0. Its roots are x is equal to minus b upon 2a, minus b upon 2a. Then x is equal to 20. Hence, the length and the breadth of rectangular path are 20 meter and 20 meter respectively. Here, example number 15. A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour. Motorboat speed is 18 km per hour in still water. Takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream. Distance is equal to 24 km upstream. For upstream, to go upstream, it takes 1 hour more than return downstream to the same spot. Return 24 km downstream, then find the speed of the stream. Let speed of the stream is equal to x km per hour. You learn upstream, downstream questions, boats and stream, or these questions are in linear equation, two variables in chapter 3, in chapter 4. Then you confuse it is question of chapter 3 or chapter 4. Here in chapter 4 we assume one variable. In chapter 3 you assume two variable. Here we find only the speed of the stream. Speed of boats given. What is the boat whose speed is 18 km per hour? Speed of motorboat in still water is equal to 18 km per hour. Speed of motorboat in still water is equal to 18 km per hour. Is 18 km per hour in still water. Takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream. Here it takes go upstream to go speed of motorboat to go upstream is equal to 18 minus x kilometer per hour. To go upstream is equal to 18 minus x kilometer per hour. And speed of motorboat to go downstream is equal to 18 plus x kilometer per hour. Okay, speed of motorboat to go upstream 18 minus x, return as spot takes 24 km upstream, then to return downstream to the same spot. Speed of motorboat to go downstream is equal to 18 plus x kilometer per hour. But time taken 1 hour more to go upstream. Time taken to go upstream 24 km. Which distance? 24 km upstream is equal to, we know in previous sums, time is equal to distance upon speed. Upstream is equal to 24 by 18 minus x. And here time taken to go downstream is equal to 24 upon its speed, downstream speed 18 plus x, because time is equal to distance upon speed. We know this. For your understanding, here we write time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is equal to 24 km and speed for upstream 18 minus x km and speed for downstream 18 plus x km. According to condition, speed is 18 km per hour in still water, takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream. Upstream time taken 24 upon 18 minus x is equal to then downstream 1 or more plus 1. Suppose 1 or less then minus 1. 24 upon 18 minus x minus 24 upon 18 plus x is equal to 1. LCM 18 minus x, 18 plus x. 24 into 18 plus x minus 24 into 18 minus x is equal to 1. 432 plus 24x minus 432 minus minus plus 24x upon 18 minus x, 18 plus x. 18 square minus x square. 18 square is equal to 324 minus x square is equal to 1. Here 432 gone. 48x is equal to, into multiplication, 324 minus x square. 1 into multiply 324 minus x square implies x square plus 48x minus 324 equals to 0. Now you solve this equation by factorization or by using general formula or completing square method as you like. But I like here, I know general formula a equals to 1, b is equals to 48, c is equals to minus 324. Discriminant b square minus 4ac is equals to b square, which is root of 48 minus 4 into 1 into minus 324. 48 square is equals to 2304 minus plus 4 4s are 16, 9, 12 is equals to 3600 is equals to 3600 is greater than 0, therefore it is possible. Now find roots of this formula. Roots of it has unequal real roots. But here x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a is equals to minus b. B is equals to 48. Our equation is b is equals to minus 48 plus under root plus minus 3600 upon 2 into a is equals to 1 is equals to minus 48 plus minus square root of 3600 16 upon 2 equals to x is equals to minus 48 plus 16 upon 2 and x is equals to minus 48. Here we write minus 48 minus 60 upon 2. X is equals to minus 48 plus 60, 12 upon 2. X is equals to 6. Here x is equals to minus 810 upon 2. X is equals to minus 54. X is just speed of the stream. Then speed can't be negative. Speed can't be, we know speed can't be negative. Therefore, x is not equal to minus 54. X is equal to minus 54 is impossible. So, x is equal to 6. What is x? X is the speed of the stream. Speed of the stream is equal to, right? In last, write your statement. Speed of stream, don't leave x is equal to 6. Speed of stream equals to 6 kilometer per hour. 6 kilometer per hour. Example 15 again. A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream. Then to return downstream to the same spot, find the speed of the stream. Let the speed of the stream is equal to x km per hour. Speed of motorboat in still water is equal to, speed of motorboat is equal to 18 km per hour. Speed of motorboat to go upstream is equal to 18 minus x km per hour. Then speed of motorboat to go downstream is equal to 18 plus x km per hour. Time taken to go 24 km upstream. Time is equal to distance upon speed. 24 upon 18 minus x, 24 in downstream, 24 upon 18 plus x. According to condition, upstream gets 1 or more than downstream. Here we write upstream is equal to downstream, time taken to upstream is equal to time taken to downstream plus 1. Then simplify here. Equation, we get x square plus 48x minus 324 is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 3600. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus. Otherwise, you here factorize, then you factorize 54 and 6. 54, 6 are 324. Then x plus 54, x plus 54 and x minus 6 are factors. X is equal to minus 54 and x is equal to 6. You write here by factorization, find roots. Speed can't be negative, therefore x is equal to minus 54 is impossible. So x is equal to 6. X is the speed of stream is equal to 60 km per hour. Here our chapter 4 is completed.